Okay. Oh, it's storming. Alright, so, yo, okay, what's up? I'm sorry, I'm a little, whatever. Okay, alright. Okay, because this is going to be a raw video. I don't have time to, edit it. And I might not have time to edit any of my videos, for real. So, please, like, bear with me. Y'all know your boy got ADHD and that shit be all over the place. So, let's try to focus here. And I'm going to tell y'all what we are here for today. So, okay. What we are here today for is because I want to show y'all the jump rope wicks that I created about a year ago. I created these wicks about a year ago, November 6th to be exact, 2020. And how I did them, I kind of come up with imagining, something that was something. I said something that was something. I try to make them different than what I normally see. So like when you see people have dyed dreads, you know what I'm saying? They only got like this right here. You understand what I'm saying? So you see how, you know what I'm saying, it's, whatever. And so I wanted it to be different. I didn't want to have the same hair like everybody else. So I looked all over Google. I looked all over Bing. After I made a jump rope wick. I'm going to show you what a jump rope wick is. I also will post the video up after this one. It looked like being that it's going to rain and stuff, I think I probably have a little more time to do it. And I hope I don't put too much thought on trying to edit it and stuff like that, because that would makes me not upload videos. It's just very I don't know, it's a little frustrating because you want this to be right, you want that to be right, and all of that. So anyway, moving on. Anyway, I couldn't find anybody hair with it and all of that. You know what I'm saying? I tried to look up all dye patterns for dreads, and and everybody, like I said, it's mostly like this and stuff. So over time, as I keep doing this, I'm going to be more and more creative. What am I going to create? I don't know. I just have my moments. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so real quick, I'm going to show y'all. Alright, so this right here, this, my friends, is a jump rope wick. Now, this is similar to the childhood jump rope that we used to have back in the 80s. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but when it hits the ground, it go clack, 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 clack. I'm gonna put a picture of it's gonna probably be in the video with the blonde hair, the blonde and black hair, because like I said, on my own hair, on my own hairstyle that I was doing, I used blonde and black. So the hair that I had at first was what was it? Marley, the Cuban twist hair. I call it Marley hair, but it's not real human hair. And then the blonde part that I had was human hair, but I'll talk about that in the other video after I post that one. It's old, like I said, it's from November. This camera quality seemed a little better, but I do want to still post that because that did start off my creation. So alright, so like I said, as you can see, that's how that goes. I also have blue. As you can see, I have to go back into the top because when I very first started doing it, this is exactly what was the problem right there. See how it doesn't blend? It just do whatever it want to do. That's not cool. I also got these ones, was just two. You know what I'm saying? So these is like, you know what I'm saying, like the more long, you know what I'm saying, they're more longer than the regular ones that I did like this. So these ones will have like 3 on them, and these will have like 2 on them. And depending on what mood I was in, that's how I was adding them. So these are just like regular black ones. As you can see, they look very, very authentic. I get compliments on them all the time. Again, this is another blue one. So, I want all of them to have the fade. As you can see, it's like a little slight fade. Sometimes it be like a little too clean cut. I'll go back over that because like I said, I want this, not solid. Like I said, this is what I did the very first time I did it, and now I'm a lot better. You know, it's been a year. So yeah, again, boom boom. So I'm gonna show y'all how they look real quick. So if I was to have them in my hair, they will be like this. So hold on, let me move that out the way. All right, so this is how you're gonna like see these. I also have black ones. So you know, so pretty much I'm gonna look something like this. So you know what I'm saying, as you can see, it's more blended, it's more better. You will be able to compare it on the next video. I'm not gonna edit it. I'm not gonna edit it because like I said, that does take a lot of time, and I don't want to waste a lot of time trying to edit it, and I won't upload it. I just will not. I learned that over the course of the years. All right, so yeah, so also like I said, I really want these big wicks in my hair because everyone really likes them. They very becoming of me in the past year, you know what I'm saying? So I also had these in different colors and stuff like that too. And as you can see, it looks like it's like jive coming from my scalp. So people like really be forgetting that I have short hair. My hair is actually somewhere right here. So the rest of this is extension. But yeah, I put the extensions and I start up here. And then like, you know, I switch it around and stuff just to give it that you know what I'm saying, the new growth look. Because I feel like extensions should look natural. And even though I'm not wearing braids and stuff like that, I still want it to look natural because dreads is supposed to look natural. I also have a Wick page. It's called Wickkid804 or Wickkidrva. Please follow me on that. I'm gonna try to get that up and going too. I'm not really sure, but if you know me, then you'll know that, you know, sometimes it takes me a while and sometimes I just, you know, just stop. I have little phases and stuff. So let's hope that I do finish it. I'm also going to show y'all how I make these. It's just, it won't be in this video because I want to keep this video short, but it's like I'm still like dragging on and on and on and on. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because it's like 8 minutes. And yeah, just tune in. Again, on my YouTube Wick channel, it's gonna say Wickkid804. So like look out for that. Or you can type in jump rope wicks and that will pull up my channel too. I'm not sure how you put the channels into the description and stuff right now because let's face it, I really just look at YouTube music, you know, so I'm not really trying to learn and all of that stuff. One day when I get to it, I'll just like, you know what I'm saying, get to it. The same like with these, you know what I'm saying, like I had to teach myself how to do these. And if it wasn't for my son showing me that it was like something popular, you know what I'm saying, it was like, oh snaps, and he started getting his friends and stuff. If it wasn't for him, I probably wouldn't even want to do this because I'm always just wicked my own hair. I didn't want to wick other people's hair, but it's actually rewarding. It's actually cool. I actually like it. So I want to continue to do it. And with that, I would like to share that with y'all. So I'm going to see y'all soon because the video is almost 10 minutes and I'm not even really sure where to look at on the screen. So I'm going to have to like work that out too. But yeah, I hope y'all have a good day, man. For real. I'm done today. Hakuna Matata.